Hey gals, it is about that time that I need to do another cooking macro tip for you. We're going to be getting into the fall, so I want to show you how I'm prepping some soup. Plus we have some new ladies that started, so it's always helpful to see demonstrations of how to plan a recipe for the week and how to break it up. So first off, I want to tell you, in MyFitnessPal, there is add a recipe feature, which is really convenient. I use it all the time. You just put in the ingredients manually, and I love to use, of course, the barcode scanner. So that one is going to come in handy too. And so what I do though is that I set it as 1 serving, and then you can go back and edit it as you figure out how many servings it's going to do. So today I am making a vegetable soup with chicken. You guys know that I'm all about convenience, so I went and spent a lot of time preparing my chicken. I just put it in this container here. I love to just get pre-cooked chicken in the grocery store. So this was on sale, and it has a barcode scanner, so I can use that. I've chopped up my vegetables here, so I'm ready to go. And then one thing with cooking macro meals, you want to have lots of seasonings on hand, which is helpful. So here's my tip. I've got my scale. And what I do is I just place a gigantic bowl on my scale here, and then I keep a piece of paper and pencil so I can write down the grams that I'm weighing out for each thing. So I'm going to zero out or tare my scale, and then I simply just start adding all my ingredients in. So this is my carrots. Again, I'm weighing in grams is the best way to do that. So I'll get my carrots here. Okay, my carrots are 161 grams, so I'm just going to hurry and write that down. Makes it much easier than trying to remember. And then you just zero out the scale again, okay? Same thing, I'm going to add my vegetables. I'm going to add my chicken. So now I can toss in my chicken. That is 300. I think I'm just going to do 1 container because that's quite a bit of grams of the cooked pulled deli chicken. And then I'm going to zero it out, and I'm going to finish adding everything there, and then into the bowl it goes. When this cooks, since I've set it at 1 serving, I'm going to divide it up. So how I do that is once it's cooked, I put it on the scale and I weigh it out for the total, and then I divide that by how many servings. So probably I'll get at least 4 or 5 servings out of here, and then I can go back in and change that serving in the FitnessPal recipe. So once that's done, the soup is done, I put it in a big bowl, I weigh it, I divide it up into bowls. You can just throw it in a bowl and keep it in the fridge and then measure it out as you go along the week. So again, it's all about convenience. Prepping and being prepared doesn't have to take a lot of work. The more stuff you find pre-sliced, cooked, if you have to spend a little more, it's worth it, because at least to me, so it saves me time. Okay, I hope this helps.